Hello, all. Welcome to the stream. Today we are again back with the project, the SaaS that I was working on, that we were working on, and MVP one. I have tested it and I have found it really cool. I have showed it to my friends, and they are like, "This is nice. You can continue." So that gave me a little bit of confidence, and now uh, we have to start with the MVP one. For MVP one, I have thought of the prototype that I created using most of the AI. Most of the time, I used AI. Now it's time I can really dig into the code and start implementing the feature on my own. Mostly, maybe I can leverage 30% of AI, but 70% should be mine only. Even though if I have to copy the code, I'll do that. So that is what my current plan is, because dependency on AI is like literally turning it into a hell of a journey. So the people I haven't opened anything. I just opened my front end, and people who are joining in between. So for them, I thought I should reopen all my projects from the scratch and show that how I debug on locally. I have two setups. I debug on mobile as well, and I debug on the emulator, because I have to show this what the app is right now to you guys. So that's why the emulator. So I actually forgot how to start the emulator. First I have to start the Android Studio, because emulator is inside the Android Studio. It's opening. It's open, so let it update. It's updating. I'll keep it in the left side. And one more thing that I need, this is the front end, and we also need backend. So this time I'll just open backend into anti-gravity only, not IntelliJ, because I'm really not liking the IntelliJ that much. So let me open uh, Orders SaaS. Orders SaaS backend. So this is it. It seems, yeah, this is it. So let me open the backend in the right hand side. This is the center, the mobile application. And one more thing that we of course need is Docker, because without Docker nothing really works, because we are container. Since the day we have learned Dockerization, we are continuously using the Docker container. So I hope you guys are able to hear me, and it doesn't matter, we will start. So let me keep this in the rightmost tab. Okay, and uh let me check if everything is fine. Oh shit, क्या हो गया फोन को? Oh shit, oh shit. यार जी तुम्हें बसाओ जी. One more important thing that I forgot is the Discord. Discord will be always on the left, and let's open the Discord. Uh, general. Let me add this URL to here, and let me add this URL here. Okay, so let me see if everything is working fine. So it's working. I actually forgot how to start emulator. So how to start the emulator. on my Mac. Let me play some music. Open. There is something ADB, not ADB. I have app installed. ಚರ್ಮಂತರಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಡಿ. I forgot actually how to open this. There is some mobile. Open, not open. Virtual device manager. Yeah, this one. This step I forgot. AI is stupid, bro. Let me start the backend. So this is the backend that we have. Let me do Docker PS. There is MySQL running, and this. So Docker compose up -d hyphen build only backend. allow everything. So we can verify this in this one. Orders sub application is started. There is one database and one backend application. So that is running. That is the part. That's the only part that we need today for backend. Hopefully no changes on the backend side. The changes that we'll do will be only on the front end side. So for you guys who really want to know what I'm building, this came up in this window. So this is the app. This is the last version, so I have to install the updated one. So let me showcase the escalator diagram as well for you guys. This is the problem that we solved yesterday after the stream. So this is the UI that we were following. We have created the important screen, which is this screen, and rest of the things. This screen we have built, this screen we have built, splash screen. Now my goal is to simplify the user profile. Yeah, this screen I actually want to build this screen. That's it. So this is a MVP2's plan. Connect multiple accounts. This is a core feature, another core feature. This was first core feature, and this is the second core feature that I'll build. So let me go to this CD orders up. Let me do ADP devices. There is this, so I can do npm start over here. Let's see if it starts. It's building. Need to have uh open dev tools. So dev tools. लाली मराठमोळी थोडीशी साधी भोळी स्वागतीचा भारी बायको पाहिजे नखरेवाली. Is it running? So docker execute. If you guys can't read this, this is how it is. Let me show you. Docker execute in integration terminal. This /bin/bash. Okay, we got this, and now .environment file. Let me take the MySQL user. So my SQL -u, this -p password. Don't worry, this is a Docker password. You cannot access it anyways. So use Orders hub. So it's actually working. I don't have to check another things. Why it's giving failed network error? Because it is not able to connect to this. So maybe proxy. I don't have any proxy. I have the local host connect. Hey, what are the changes? Oh, Krevali Marathon. I actually added this using localhost. Yeah. Just a second. This is wrong URL. I have to ask. पता रखे जानवर. It was working literally like in the morning. It was working, but what's the issue now? Oh, okay. Because I was debugging on my phone. So to fix this, max terminal run ATB. पहिल्याच गाडीला पहिल्याच भेटीला. येऊन मला. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I have this. I have so many things created in this one. Just a second. तुम मेरे charts देखोगे. I have so many charts today. So I have basically added multiple projects in the list because I don't want to keep the track of this, but I have added all the parameters to analyze if the project is really worth it or not. So if you can tell me now, I have a complete system setup and I have almost 25 projects of list that I have injected in this one. So you have to tell me which technology you would like to create a project on. It is mostly for the full stack project. So if you tell me the tech stack, I'll just give it a prompt and give you a perfect project based on your current situation. If you can do so, I'll give you the project. Okay, it's finally working. I have to check one thing. Is the logo been updated? No, logo has not been updated. Logo is still this. But yeah, this part is really working. So I have to just discard these changes, discard all 11 files. दुसराच काढीला दुसराच भेटीला. I have fixed the UI a lot the last time. See, this refunded wala. See, in this case, the refund was like 1,999. That means 5 rupees of difference was there. I am not showing the 5 rupees difference, but I am showing actual price. And below that, this 1,999. And now you can copy the order ID. And I haven't added any notification bar because Android itself has this notification that something has been copied, so I don't have to create it later on. I can see so many easy things that Android have made for debugging. Okay, bhaiya, 4th year student, Spring Boot. Okay, let me give our friend the first project. Now, based on all the things and parameters that we have discussed, can you give me a project for Spring Boot 4th year student? And you want for Django. We'll come to that. I was thinking of creating a skill.md file out of this because it has become very good. So your goal is only Spring Boot. So you didn't mention about the front end. So there are some projects that I have in this list. Let me see. AI powered API testing contract validation platform. It is similar to what kind of rate limiter that we have built, but the extended version of that rate limiter was only one thing out of all many skills. So APIs automatically appear, select an endpoint, AI generates meaningful test scenarios, execute tests, store results, show failures. If this is helpful, because the current market is very different. It is not like the older projects would work. You made something student management system or project management, library management. Such kind of projects are like really become dumb. So you have to come up with the original things right now. भैया रिएक्ट भी आता है एंड फ्लेक्सिबल हो, आगे कोई न्यू टेक भी होगा तो सीख लूंगा. तो आई सजेस्ट गो विद अ फुल स्टैक प्रोजेक्ट rather than this kind of project. So backend Spring Boot and front end React. Let's see. Real time auction platform, that is also nice. Yeah, this is actually a very reputedly seen project in the industry, because tickets is a core issue or a root cause and bottleneck for many of the industries. If you can create this project, because I was going through so many sites and usme I have seen ticketing, some kind of ticketing. So that is there, that project. So if you can create this project, AI customer support and ticket management platform. So whatever the ticket comes to you, currently I'll tell you, if you don't know how this ticketing system works in the industry. So in the industry, you are working on a product, you are a developer, but there are customers. So customers use your product, and most of the times they don't understand something, or they have some typical doubts. So for that, there is a chat bot. Okay, there is a chat bot, and from that they first try to understand if they are doing something wrong. If not, if they are doing if they are not doing anything wrong, they get a link, and from that link they create a ticket. There are platforms like ESM ticket and other whatnot tickets. So that ticket comes to a support is also engineer. There are L1 L2 support, so it comes to L1 if they can fix it. If not, they just push it to the L2. Instead of doing that, the AI customer support, AI first extract the information from that. So whatever the ticket that you are receiving, AI just extract the information, and based on that, it just assigns the department, which engineering department it should go to, what is the real issue, and how it would solve. If it can be solved without an engineering support, it would just give a reply back to the ticket. If not, it will just assign the ticket. So it sounds very difficult, but this AI part is really simple to implement if you can take a help from ChatGPT or any AI. It is really a simple part. The lengthier part is this ticket management platform, and this is your full stack application. So it leverage AI and full stack complete two things. You can simplify this part according to your time and ability to do that. So this is a project that you can think of. So it is called AI ticket triage. You can Google this term. This is very popular thing. AI ticket triage. I can give you this response if you want. क्या था वो? Code share dot. Somebody posted their code in this one. This was it for me. Message page. So there are this course as well. You can check this response. If you like it, let me know. Check this. I have like created this response. It would give you a simple LLD and HLD part as well. So all of those things are included in this one. Somebody asked about Django as well. I will look into that. Just let me fix this issue. Thank you बहुत बोलो अभी just check it out. If you don't like it, we will regenerate a new response for you. See, ticket is the main core entity in this one. You don't have to create multiple entities. There are only these services. That's how I have created these project list. It leverages any one system design concept, which comes under the HLD discussion, and very basic Spring Boot or backend design. You can easily do that, and one AI feature that you can implement, in this case AI ticket triage. So if you like it, you let me know. This is again showing wrong. I placed two orders just for this testing. G1. Hello G1, welcome to the Discord, bro. Mile store. $681. $681, this is correct, and this is 701. These are two different orders. Why it's not showing the second order? Ah, कितने भी होशियार. It actually has to. I need to keep the track of logs. It will not work like this. I can't really debug this issue. I need to create one API to debug this part. I'm thinking about how to do this part. Studies 2783. What's your name, bro? If you're still here, we can look into your project as well. Project that you want. Hmm. Okay, well, there's only one order. If I search this, there are actually two orders. It only fetched one order. This is a bug. Uh, what I'll do, instead of just fixing each and everything, I'll create a, go to my board. This is the. So let me add these details so that I can track the issues. What's up, brother? Hello, Par Patel. How are you, man? Just a second. I'm creating the issue. Uh, yes, I'm still here. Okay. Great work. Carry on, brother. Thank you so much, man. Just a second. I'll add an issue over here. List a test order on Amazon, because most of the people are going to use Amazon. So I'm uh, which contains two different orders items, which has two separate order IDs. Mm, refer the below email. But the app is only showing the recent order. Let me grab this screenshot. I need very good debugging over here. I cannot delete my debugging APIs. I actually removed those debugging APIs. Thought कि अब तो ये नहीं लगेगा, लेकिन ये नहीं. It is gonna be a long term thing. Ideal scenario. It should show two different orders, even though email is only one, but it has two different order IDs, and order ID it's something unique for us. It's a bug. I can add as help wanted if anybody really want to do this. Scrum board milestone. Mm, two orders from the single email are merged should be shown as two different items in the app. So if I can document all those things, this would become really easy for me to track. So this is in the Spring Boot side. आपको देखकर मैं भी पढ़ने बैठ गया, वरना अभी तक बेड पर टाइम पास कर रहा था. गुड, दिस इज गुड. Now studies 2783 is here, so for him I want to have something in Django. But bro, I personally don't have experience in Django, but I'll help you. Now one more project, full stack and less story points based on Django. AI मीटिंग ट्रैकर मैंने बोला था इसको ना बनाए. Tell me if you like this. This is similar to this. I'll show you. I have something similar. So it is something like this. AI really does this, but if you really want to have this, because based on whatever the meeting that you have, you just have to start the meeting. It is a feature in multiple apps now. You just have to recreate it. It was one call that I attended, and it gave me some action items. The theory, whatever it has been discussed, it mentioned this in this structure. So this is what it's asking you to create. Yeah, this notification posted, action item, task completed, Django concept, Django REST framework, authentication, relational DB, serializers, permission, pagination, filtering, all those things will be used. Entities are simple. User meeting action item. If you like this, you can let me know. If not, because see, I'm trying to inject some AI in these projects, because without AI, if you create some project, your resume is gonna go on the back foot. It is 8 story point. It is not that lengthy project. You can do it very easily. I go. Based AI while doing a project in React. Yeah. Best. Acha, you are asking me. If you are asking, at least give a question mark. Best AI while doing a project in React. Anti-gravity is the best, bro. I'm so tired, man. It was your first day. I can really correlate with you. How was your day? But yes. Best AI for doing project in React is anti-gravity, bro. Anti-gravity is really helping a lot in for specifically to the front end tasks. So it is really good for front end. Or maybe Codex is also good. It is very cheap, cheaper than anti-gravity or Claude. You can go with the Codex as well. Studies 2783. Are you still here? Are you looking into this project? Are you vibing up with this project, or do you need something else? It is engineering depth 7 out of 10, AI depth 7 out of 10, industry applicability, which is the most important part. It is 8 out of 10 because I have figured there. I have trained this chart on these parameters. Resume differentiation. It will make your resume unique. Fresher feasibility, it is for fresher, and story points 8. Do you like it or do you want something else? So I'm pasting it in here uh, below this. I hope the other guy have copied this part. So let me paste it on top of this. So at the rate, what is your studies 2783. Okay, you can take it from here, bro. It is simple, easy. Uh, okay, you like it. That's good. That's good. Means that the system is working. So here's the link. If you know how codeshare.io works, you can just copy paste from here without any login or anything. Hectic. Everything was chaotic. Uh, did I miss any message? Okay, thank you. Any free app? Batate. Wait, I'll tell you. Hectic. Everything was chaotic, bro. Welcome to the world of corporate, bro. From like दूर से it looks very clean, very professional, very क्या बोलते हैं, aesthetic things, but really this part nobody talks about. You have to like uh, go do lot many meetings, travel, सब कुछ करके इंसान का भोसड़ा हो जाता है रात तक. So welcome to the corporate world, bro. Any free AI, bro? Codex is free, as far as I know. Like there is a plus account which is free for 1 year. If that offer still holds, you can avail that offer and start using Codex. You get 2 resets in that one, like token resets. Just try to use optimal way while coding. Use the lower version or lower models while doing the basic task. Use the higher end when you are doing something like extreme difficult task. My audio is correct level, no? Yes, it's almost correct. It's not too loud, is it? This distance is correct. I like it. Nice. Stream bhi like kar dena. Guys, kindly like the stream. As you know the drill. And I was back on this. I found this bug. Anybody if in case want to pick up this issue in this repository, you can always do that. I'm okay with that. Mm, okay, good that I found the issue. I need to fix this. So okay, let's implement the new feature, at least the empty page that we want. I want something when I click. Currently I'm clicking on this. If you can guys hear this, I'm clicking on this page, but there's nothing there because I haven't built that part. So let me first push this code. uh, it did not ask for paraphrase, that is fine. Now I don't know exactly where it is. Guys, kindly like the stream. So this is the part. So I forgot React. So yeah, this is the part that we have to fix this. So in React Native, how we open a component? Okay, within the component, let me create a folder called profile p small. ए झिंकले का कौन मचाना झिंकले का profile page dot tsx. Okay, and कैसे लिखते थे भाई? I forgot. React export const profile page. Okay, in this one there will be a return, and in this return let me grab this part. This part I actually want. What is view in this one? Sarcharumacha. And text as well. Okay, styles as well. Use styles. No, use style. This is a hook. Let me keep this as a different part and use styles. So const styles, use styles. This is one folder inside. Format document. First name. I need to pass down this first name as a prop. So how do I install this? Import this prop over here. Profile page. Okay, I just have to do this. 4 साल पहले रिएक्ट किया हमने, और यहाँ पे प्रॉप्स सेंड करना. प्रॉप्स कैसे सेंड कर रहे थे? So my method usually to send the props is to write props and give it a type I profile page props. I used to do this. I used to like this profile page, and let me create this interface. So export interface I profile page and this. Okay, and in this one what we need? Only first name. So first name, which is of type string. I want everything to be of some type, and instead of this and then there is one more type, because I like to use the JavaScript to the fullest. Const first name is equal to props. Okay, so this solves the problem without changing the code. It is small code, you don't see the difference, but when it comes to a bigger code of piece, it fucks up really. And props भेजने के लिए what's the how to send the props? Like first name, can I do direct first name? Yeah. First name is this, so I don't have to So in this one, no, क्या था यार तरीका? First name is equal to first name. How do I used to send? Okay, this is the way to send the prop. Okay, let's save all, and it should work as it was earlier. Yeah, it's working as same. That is correct. I like it. Sir, ये आप क्या पी रहे हो? It is a diet coke, bro. डाइट कोक पी रहा हूँ क्योंकि नींद आती है. सम कैफीन चाहिए. आई ट्राइड ब्लैक कॉफी, बट उससे नींद पूरी चली जाती है. मैं रात को सो ही नहीं पाता. आर यू वर्किंग एनीवेयर? यस सर, आई एम वर्किंग इन अ कंपनी. Didn't I mention my LinkedIn profile? Let me mention my LinkedIn profile, bro. Because I don't like to mention where I'm working everything again and again. So here's the LinkedIn profile. Are you working anywhere? Yes, sir. GW Lucky. Sorry, I'm missing out on messages when I'm working. I miss out. Let me charge my desktop. GW Lucky, can you tell me your name, bro? What's your name? Because I know almost everyone's name here. Sorry, I missed Yash bro's message. Sorry, Yash. They told me to learn something. Isn't this practically overtime? Fuck, I'll go learn it as much as I can right now. Take care. Yeah. I have a question. Give me a second. Yeah. Yes, bro. Hit me. Hit me up, bro. Okay, par. No worries. Guys, kindly like the stream. Don't forget to like the stream. बताओ यश यश बताओ क्या हुआ एंड GW लकी आई वांट टू नो योर नेम ब्रो ये कैसे गलत लगता है ये ऐसे नाम बुलाना GW लकी सर हाउ टू गेट फर्स्ट जॉब intern bro you just join the Discord community and वहाँ पे there are some people who have just started with the new job they can really help you with this the thing is you just have to keep applying bro you can't stop at any position no you have to just keep applying keep improving your resume keep preparing there is no end point for this just now recently Yash Mishra the person in chat has gotten really good internship in Bangalore so you can really ask to him okay now we have to improvise this page so I need to add some click page so how to add a click function we really don't have any click function in this one so for example uh, instead of this it should rename to profile icon and it will surely throw profile icon and instead of this profile icon and let me do this okay this makes more sense and then inside this new file it should be renamed as profile page.tsx export const it is okay so in this one would just return a view yeah this much is enough or view it's in mobile app development it's view I guess no view let me import this okay so whenever somebody clicks on this can I add on this text on click kya tha click it should be button no because of button what do you do for living bro I do a full-time job bro I'm a software developer at some company I have just mentioned my LinkedIn profile you can look into that so I do that I do trading I do lot many things but my core main work is my job bro so that's what I do Vivek Yash so they told me to ask them as many questions as I can but I feel like I'll annoy them by doing that. So how much is not too much? What should I ask them? You should ask them only those question for which question you are not able to figure out answer by yourself using ChatGPT or any AI agent. If you can get answers very easily using ChatGPT, just create a ChatGPT, whatever the problem or whatever the product that you are trying to understand, whatever the KT that you are trying to get, just train that chat, ask the question to that chat. If you get answer, fine, skip this question. If not, ask the question to the senior, get the answer, and give that answer back to the chat gpt, the chat, the same chat that you are using. Because this way it's not you only learning, it's the chat is also learning, and that chat can become your senior developer, like who will help you out on the process. So that will help you on that. Do you create apps by using Flutter? Nah, bro. I only know JavaScript. That's why I created. I am using this React this time. My major goal is to learn this Java. So, no, Java, we cannot learn Java in the isolation. So I wanted some front end application, and I thought this time why not React Native? Because I have worked like 4 or 5 years ago on React for 6 7 months, so I know React, and I can leverage that part. So no Flutter, bro. समझ में आया यश? What I told you? This is how you have to like continue in today's work, because it's good that they have told you you can ask as many as question possible, because nowadays nobody is saying this, because nobody in the companies have a clear idea of what they are doing. Everybody is like using AI. uh, just a second. What kind of imports this React Native? I also don't know React Native. If you are wondering, Manthan, what's your name, Manthan? Manthan is your name. I also don't know React Native. I know React only. So React and React Native is almost same, but I am figuring out on the go what's the difference. What is this pressable? What is pressable? So there is something apparently React Native's own libraries. What are React Native components? Okay, they have their own. It is similar to Flutter, but Flutter is very different. From where you have learned React? I have never learned React Native, bro. I have just started using React Native. I have never in my life learned React Native. I have used React, and I know very basic few concepts. I know JavaScript, I know React. Rest I'm figuring out on myself. So apparently they have their own component library that I wasn't sure. Yeah, view group. Guys, kindly like the stream, yeah. React. I learned React when I joined my first company as associate developer. I was assigned with a project. I was associate there. I worked on React for maybe 6 months, 6 to 7 months max. So that's where I got an idea about React. You still didn't told me your name, bro. GW Lucky. Or did you? You didn't. GW Lucky, you didn't tell me your name. I forgot to start my application, bro. The chat brain, which will like literally understand you guys and reply you based on that. So let me start my chat brain. I hope I have credits for that. Eight zero eight zero not use. Yeah, it's working now. Lavin Pandey. Hello, Lavin Pandey. Welcome to the stream, bro. So apparently React has these components, React Native UI components, which is Vue and Android View group. Okay, it automatically converts this view into view group for Android and UI view for iOS. And if in case of web analog, it is simple div, a container that supports layout with flexbox style, some touch handling and accessibility controls. Sir, do you know any live streaming like you on data engineering pipeline? Pipeline I have done, bro. A few streams. I have wrote pipeline for Docker, simple basic Docker wala pipeline I have wrote. I have Docker in this one, Docker Compose YML. I know there are deployment pipelines that you are asking about. We will do that as well when the time comes to actually deploy this complete project. I don't know any other streams. Ram, Ramanaram or Ram. So somebody was asking me, do I know React or React Native? I have worked on React, but I'm not sure about React Native, and that's what I'm learning the React Native on the go. There is nothing much difference that I can see. It is the same UI and all. So there are few things. Always there are only few things. If you have excelled into one kind of a technology, other technology becomes very easy. You just have to know the alternatives, get to know about the alternatives and all. What will you suggest? One Flutter or React Native for app development? See, when I was doing some research back then, Flutter has a very good app development. क्या था उसमें यार? In simple words, Flutter has better architecture for app development. But since the time Expo has came to React Native, it has almost touched the level of Flutter. So it really depends on the kind of application that you are making. If your application is really going to be the huge application used by millions of users and very unique, very extreme, then you can go ahead and learn Flutter and use the Flutter application, Flutter development. But if your app is like normal, it does not have many features and all, and you are already aware of JavaScript little bit, then it's always better to start with the React Native, because the learning curve will be very small for you. You just have to pick up the things specific to React Native, and you don't have to you don't need to learn the underlying language. But in Flutter you need to learn Dart, I guess. Dart, and there is yeah. So I chose React Native because I knew React. I don't want to learn many technologies. Text is for text view. Scroll view, a generic scrolling container that contain multiple components and views. Text input. So maybe scroll view is something that we need to open. So I have to first figure out click button is not apparently something which is there. Handling text input using a scroll view. Okay, this is a scroll view. We don't need a scroll view, we just need a view. So that is using list views. Yeah, we need a list view. Buttons, is there any buttons? Can I search for buttons? So on press it's there, it's a button, and it's coming from where? Button is here, it's being imported from where? Button, acha, React Native, this button. So I just have to do this, remove this, it will work. And it does not. Hey, you come here, Big Daddy. On press, there is on press. Why it's crying though? No overload matches call props. Yeah. You cannot send the props. Okay, I understood my mistake. I understood my mistake. This should be like this. Button. And this should go inside this format document. No, here. माझा राजा माझा शिवबारा. Yeah, we need some mandatory things on this. We will just copy this button, this on press format document color in. We'll see what this and learn more. Instead of this, click profile. So this function we have to create click profile. This is how we create, no, a callback function. It is a callback function. And why it's still crying? No overload for this button props. This, it's saying you cannot do this. This is my main account, Levin Pandey. Oh, hello, welcome to the stream, Levin Pandey. See, ये मस्त नाम दिखता है तो मेरे को अच्छा लगता है कि हाँ भाई, there is someone. I want to share my project with you. I need some suggestions regarding it. So shall I get you notified once on LinkedIn? Yeah. You can ping me on LinkedIn, bro. I'm always there. I usually reply to all the members after the stream. So you can ping me there. If you want it on urgent basis, you can share with me on the Discord server. There is a Discord server. The link is in the pinned comment. It's apparently not letting me do this. So if I just save this, how our application will look like. Okay. Learn more. So instead of this, can I inject an image to this button? Macha Shiva Bhara. This will work like this. Instead of this, learn more. Like this. Let me get help of AI. Can you fix this syntax? Can you fix this syntax for me? And we will go with the lower version because it's simple thing. Guys, kindly like the stream. I see you guys are watching silently, but a like would be really helpful over here. Before like 2 streams ago, we actually hit how many likes? 45 likes, almost 50 likes. So I need likes. Bro, I made a project which is like free web to watch anime movie, how to publish it. Yeah, publishing your anime and all, it would be like a copyright thing. If you publish it, bro, you don't know how the copyright works. You know, they will like hunt you down. These are big companies. Don't try that. If you have something of your own or something, a licensable thing, because these commercial things, these companies really take very seriously. I have seen some people like being bankrupted because of these legal issues. Even if you get 10-15 views, they will get to know you very quickly. कौस्तुभ, लाइक तो उसको भी करता था, मेरे लाइक तो उसको भी करता था मेरे भाई. Now you understood how to use ChatBrain. Nice. Can I add this in my resume? Yes, you can add that in your resume. Yeah, instead of this anime, you can change it to some free web series or copyrighted free. You can mention keywords like that, but yeah, you can mention this project. You can. Huh. Hex code for transparent. Can't we add style? Main goal is not this. Clickable is this. So we have to open. क्या था? How do we used to open another component in this one? So let me ask the AI again. How do I open profile page on click of this function? See this basic. I'm going through all those things. कैन आई ऐड यस भाई एक चीज बताओ रेफरल की भी कैसे मांगू भाई कोल्ड ईमेल कर करके भाई दे दे भाई दे दे सबको एक मस्त सा मैसेज लिखो उसको बोलो दोस्त के थ्रू जाओ कुछ भी बोलो विल से भाई मैं तुम्हारे लिए ये कर दूंगा मेरे को रेफरल दे दो भाई पीपल दे देते हैं लोग दे देते हैं रेफरल उनको भी पैसा मिलता है उससे इफ यू डोंट नो इट इज अ विन विन सिचुएशन फॉर बोथ ऑफ you and the person who is going the referral to you. Guys, don't forget to like the stream. I'm seeing likes are moving very slowly. Manthan, what's your surname? Manthan Mangos. सर तुम्ही व्हीजीटीआय पास आउट येस सर मी व्हीजीटीआय पास आउट आहे तू पण आहेस का व्हीजीटीआय पास आउट am I reaching to my college is my stream has reached to my college it would complete a circle if my stream is reaching to visit here. Yes, Manthan, let me know about yourself. Ping me on LinkedIn if you are from Vijatia, bro. What's your current project? Yeah, I'll explain you. Full Marathi stream. No, bro. If somebody texts me on Marathi, I'll reply to him in Marathi. If somebody texts me in Hindi, I'll reply to him in Hindi. Otherwise, it's all English. Yeah, project. See, so this is what I'm building over here. This is the UI samples that I've created. It is a simple orders hub application. Bhojpur. Yeah, bro. My first job was in Greater Noida, and there were factory workers whom I used to talk, and they taught me a little bit of Bhojpuri. Even though I forgot some things, but I still remember some words from Bhojpuri. So you can try it out. So this application, who was asking this? Yeah, Lavin Pandey. Bro, this application, it's orders up whatever the orders that I am placing. I like to do shopping from different kinds of website, not just Amazon, Flipkart, but through different Instagram shops. So I wanted to track all my orders at one place, just like how you see it in Amazon or Flipkart, but they show their own orders. I want all those orders plus Amazon, Flipkart, all those orders in just one place, along with the status that which order I'm receiving today. So if I am aware of that, I'll plan my today's office work as per these deliveries. Sometimes it used to happen, I just left the house and somebody calls, भैया मैं आ गया हूँ आपके घर पे, तो मेरे को फिर वापस आना पड़ता था. So not this kind of issues Then OTP is I'm in some meeting and delivery person calls, but yeah, OTP batao. Then I have to search for WhatsApp, email, everything, and then find the OTP. So this app will summarize everything and get everything data at one place. So that is what my goal is. So once we get all the orders at one place, we can do a lot of things. I was just thinking about that. So those will be subsequent MVPs. The first MVP I did was I created this login authentication. This was the main, connecting the one Gmail account, connected one Gmail account, synced that Gmail account, and fetched all the orders from that Gmail account. Over here you can see this. These are the orders. Okay, this is what I'm getting from the backend. You can see these many orders. Okay, I've used pagination, which is nice. Somebody on the stream told me कि there is Spring Boot में खुद का pagination है. You can leverage that. I was building it on my own. It's dumb fuck me who didn't know about that, but somebody helped and it saved a lot of time. And this is what I built. Now in the subsequent MVP, now it is working with one account. I want to make it work with multiple accounts, which is this connected emails. So a user can connect as many, I don't know as many, but currently I'm thinking as many accounts as possible, because people have multiple dummy accounts, email accounts, whatever they place orders from. So letting I'm letting myself to add multiple accounts, because the first user is me for this application. So I'm letting myself add multiple accounts over here, and from all those email accounts, all the orders will be combined from all the companies and will be shown over here. So this is what it is, bro. भोजपुरी में बताओ भाई. Kaustubh, if you don't mind, can I ask how much is your current package, as you can give a range, bro? Bro, it's really not fair to discuss the package. But I am making ठीक ठाक अमाउंट, मतलब चल जाता है. Maybe once I hit 10,000 subscribers, I'll tell you guys how much I make. After the 1,000 subscribers, I also told some people that how much I make. Hey guys, you like the stream, yaar. Matlab, I can see so many people in the chat, but I am not seeing that many likes. Kindly like the stream. Uh, give me a range. If I hit 10 likes, I'll tell you the range then. At least 10 likes. Now I'm at 6 likes. If I get 10 likes, I'll tell you the range. Okay, on press. I have to call it from there. Oh, okay. This is how you revise the things, not just looking at. So I have to pass it down. So yeah, there is this way to pass props like this. Is this the way? I forgot the syntax, but there is something like this. Let me check. Maybe there are two brackets. Yeah, an on press. I have to create an on press. So this props drilling is like really. If I get 10 likes, I'll reveal my package. It's saying in the on profile press. I need to add this over here. Profile icon. We will fix this syntax, don't worry. I can name it as same, no? Why it is good practice not to change the names on profile press. And here also on profile press, on profile press. On profile press, this is a void return type. I can mention profile press over here. There is this spread operator. Yeah, because we have to spread it in the JavaScript. Yeah, fine. Now I have to do this in the bigger daddy. Which is the bigger daddy over here? Home screen is the bigger daddy. Home screen. On session expired. This callback function we need to add over here on profile press. What the fuck we have to do? Or not here maybe. Set show profile page. Okay. It's just in if and else condition we have to, because I am coming from Angular, my mind is like thinking in between two lines. So I have to create a state apparently. So there's no on back. Show profile. Let me create this state first. We are creating the states here. So const show profile this and use this, and yes should be capital over here, and then equal to use state dot use state, that's it. And show profile is null. Sorry, use profile is set to null. False. Okay, it's a boolean. I should give the type binding over here. So boolean show profile and set show profile. On back, there is nothing on back. What is on back? Profile page. Let me check in the profile page. Hello dosto. Hello Atharva buddy. How are you, man? You guys can see my screen. No, it's not बहुत small. I have increased the font size. What the fuck is on back? On back any is not assignable to intrinsic attributes. On back does not exist in intrinsic attribute. This time to take the help. Save all. What the fuck is this? Hello dosto, how are you doing, sir? I'm doing great, bro. How are you, man? Let me know your updates. Mythical Masters. Hi, I have been trying to get a job and no luck. How are people getting jobs, bro? Constantly apply, apply, apply. Constantly improve, improve, improve your resume, improve your skills. Try to get as many interviews as possible. Okay, bro. So I have promised it. So nobody knows what is this. So you will just get an idea, Lavin Pandey. I hope you saw the message and I'm deleting this message. Today I did a long stream after a long time. Okay, how many hours ka stream, bro? I just came out 4 hours, bro. That's too much because of some interesting conversation. Yeah, I do. But I have. I'll tell you, bro. I have by myself. I have kept myself away from all those struggles because my goal is not to grow in the jobs. My goal is always been to grow my YouTube channels and all. So I get comfortable at one position. I try to figure out the time. I try to get more time from that particular job and try to spend this time on personal skills development because these packages on will always come. I have almost कितना हो गया अभी 5.5 5.5 5.5 years of experience, bro. ये क्या गड़बड़ हुई इसमें? Profile page props. ओके, भी आपने यहाँ पे क्रिएट ही नहीं किया. So props, thanks for telling me that, bro. But yeah, I deserve more. Just a motivation. Will this work? Yeah. Okay, it worked. I'm trying to recall all those things. Yeah, I have implemented one good logic over here. Synced 12 minutes ago. It's similar to what Instagram have for your last seen messages and all. It is similar to this. If you wait, it still updates. It is the advantage of using React. You know, React may it always listen to the states. So whenever the state changes, this particular UI changes, and this is a very huge advantage that we have in React. If it was an Angular, we have to do ng on changes or something similar. How to stay connected with you, bro? I You can connect with me on Discord link is in the pinned comment, or you can always ping me on LinkedIn. I'm very actively replying to the people on LinkedIn, so you can always see there is a message. In this message you have both the links, Discord link as well as the LinkedIn link. This Discord link is expired or what? So at any place you can. I want to be that kind of a person with whom people can connect very easily. Now the error. Okay, let me understand this. कहाँ से क्या जा रहा है? So this is the home screen. Home screen has home header. So I have to on profile press. What I have to do? Tacha tacha. Mm-mm. Set. I wrote use show profile. What? How dumb. तुझा रंग कोरा कोरा. Okay, this is what I wanted. Basically, a simple. Now there is no back button. What the fuck? I just wanted this. So what was there as per my UI? Did I create any back button? Oh, there is a way in the mobile apps to go back. No, there is a button. Oh, it directly closed the application. So if I have to do this, open again. Uh, oh, it's closing the app. Well, let me add these many, but this file has some errors. Uh, Install this. I have did this. What is this error? I want to use AI very less. Hey, anti-gravity has one feature more than VS Code. This copy error. This is really good. What is this error? I did npm I. So let me push these changes. I have added a blank screen. That was the first task. Um, you banned Hindi words? No, no, no. I haven't, bro. Why I? How can I do that? I did not. नो ब्रो आई डोंट हैव दैट अथॉरिटी आल्सो आज स्ट्रीम पे एक बंदा आपने 5-6 दोस्त लेके आ गया मैं डर गया लोग बोल रहे थे बॉट अटैक हो गया बाद में रियल लोग निकले गुजराती पीपल आर सो स्वीट या गुजराती पीपल आर सो स्वीट यस their uniqueness is like they always wander in groups. Why would you say that I banned Hindi words? There is no option for me to do that, bro. Don't say such things. Let me do added a blank page upon clicking on the profile icon. Just not okay. Fix the sonar lint issue. But the back button, I don't know how this back really works. For example, if I open YouTube in this one, if I go to this part, click back, it is coming to home. If I click on this, so this is how the back button on these Android phones work. Now it closed. Okay, now our app, reconnect dev tools, fast refresh. आज गलती से मैंने स्ट्रीम पे पढ़ना शुरू कर दिया. मैप कंटेनर उठा लिया विद द स्ट्रिंग्स, विच इज़ नाइस. नो, डू इट ऑन द स्ट्रीम इटसेल्फ. एक बड़ा खराब पैटर्न है. जिस दिन मैं ठीक तरीके से स्ट्रीम नहीं करता हूँ, उस दिन बहुत लोग देखने आते हैं और सब्सक्राइब. दैट्स नाइस. वी आर ग्रोइंग टुगेदर. हेलो ब्रो, हाउ आर यू मैन? आई एम गुड ब्रदर. हाउ आर यू? आर यू जाकी? आई एम गुड ब्रो. हाउ आर यू मैन? See, I've added this feature. If you guys can see this, how much refund in case any order has been returned, how much it has refunded. So I have to think through all the statuses once again, but before I'll implement all the features now and then I'll come back to this. I have raised some issues. लोगों को मिर्च मसाला पसंद है. यस. लोगों को मिर्च मसाला बहुत ज़्यादा पसंद है. I want to ask this. And how to move back to the main page. Bro, I'm Samit. Are Samit bhai. Hello Samit. After so many days, man, you have joined. How would I remember? It is some new account as well. You had that 0x something at the rate. Now this is something new page, new at the. But welcome to the stream, bro. After so many days. आज बढ़िया वेबसाइट के बारे में पता चला. डीएस एनिमेटर, ये मैंने सुना है शायद. डीएस एनिमेटर. All of these are locked. It is asking me to log in. It's trash. Oh, okay. Baka hardi na makali. I can handle. I can't handle. What you can't handle? You can't handle this site? Or you can't handle me, bro? If a learning tool needs pop-ups and login before value, the UX already got TL. Yeah, true. That's what we were doing. AI is actually getting the context of what I'm doing here. It's becoming really good. मुझे एक बंदे ने सजेस्ट करा, बोल रहा था स्ट्राइवर से कर रहा है और डीएस एनिमेटर. ओ नाइस. Everybody, like, for everyone the path cannot be same. Everyone's brain works in a different way. Some people really understand in either way, some people understand in some other way, so it's up to the people. That's why so many resources are exist. If one single roadmap would have worked for everyone, there would have been only one roadmap and everybody would have followed that, but it's not like that. क्रोध आ जाता है. How this works? I don't know how this Android subsystem work over here. I can go and read in the documentation. Uh, how does the back Android back button works in React Native? There should be something JavaScript related to that. Back handler. I need premium to message. No, no, no. You don't need premium, bro. Many people text me on LinkedIn. You don't really need premium. Maybe you just have to follow me. Just click on follow and then message, because that's the easiest way that I found. Click on follow and text me. That works. ये गाने इतने गंदे क्यों लग रहे हैं भाई? Hmm, कोई एक गाना बताओ यार बढ़िया. ब्रो, you know there is one Bhojpuri song is trending in the top 100 charted on YouTube Music. Top 100 songs India. The second song on that is Barbadi Hoi. This song is trending. Do you guys know this song? Bro, Punjabi I don't really listen. It's not my type, Punjabi music. I listen to Hindi songs, Hindi, Marathi, Telugu, Tamil, but not Punjabi. I really don't enjoy Punjabi songs. I can't it saying buy premium. Nah, man. Guy, is it so? Can you guys? Because I am seeing other people are messaging me. I can see Aryan Kumar has texted. Uh, Parikshit has texted. Wait. Khata. Khata. This one. Let's listen to this song. Uh, Chart Brain. Can you help Levin Pandey to text me on LinkedIn? He's saying then is asking for premium. That's not the case though. Let me read about this back button. This chart automatically will help you, bro. Don't worry. Yum. Okay, there is subscription pattern, subscription, add event listener function. If on main screen this go back, return true. Okay. Subscription remove. Okay. It is similar to Angular, like how we subscribe. This is weird. Back action. Why this is not helping? At the chart brain. ब्रो आपकी कंपनी कौन सी है? Bro, my LinkedIn profile is this. You can check on that. I haven't updated my recent company, which I have just made a switch. I'll mention that after a while, but you can check my before companies. कैसे किया? On press text, yes, on press back handler. Khata, okay, now अब पंजाबी चालू हो गया इसमें एकदम से खता में. Kalyani was good song. Khatha is also nice. The first Khatha I liked. The second Khatha Arijit Singh ka warning. I sent the connection request. Let me fix your thing first. Let me see your connection request. Bro, I don't received anything from you yet. See my notification. You can directly go to this link. What's the problem, bro? These are default messages, bro. It is a chart brain. It is trained on me, so it is improving on daily basis. So it is not auto. Yeah, it is kind of auto generated, but it's an AI. Khat, I mean, bro. Okay, okay. Khat. Bro, this song is a vibe. Huh? This Kalyani song is vibe. Oh, okay, this song ये तो Instagram पे popular है खत. अरे people can now I can see one notification. Let me see. Ramna Pallu and one other person. I'm sending you the request, bro. Manthan Nagose. Let me see if he's from VJTI. Oh, he's not from VJTI, but he texted me ki, are you from VJTI? I thought my stream has reached to VJTI. Now I've sent you the request. Now at least you should be able to do that. I don't know what's the issue. I've sent you the request, bro. I thought 8 9 p.m. हो रहा होगा, जब देखा तो 11 13 खो गए हम, which is nice. कोडिंग में खो गए तो अच्छा है. Okay, back to the work. Props back. It's kind of working. Mm, but the back ideally should work with Android back event. We don't need to add back button. Hello Badal, how are you, bro? What you deleted, brother? I can see it on the stream. I thought. Yeah, now I can send. Okay, nice. Yeah, now I can send. I read the message. Guys, kindly like the stream यार. आजकल तुम लोगों को क्या हो गया पता नहीं. तुम लोग आज लाइक नहीं कर रहे हो स्ट्रीम को. मैंने एक दिन छुट्टी क्या ले ली, तुम लोग भूल जाते हो. Yeah, you are absolutely right. On Android, users expect the physical system back button to navigate back instead of exiting the app. To do that in React, you need back handler. Yeah, that is what we were reading over here. So how to use this? It is a subscription that we have to somehow this use effect. Okay, on back and then this. Go back to the main page, return the true to tell React Native we handle the back action. Okay, we have to handle back by ourselves, but the button is their own handler. This is add event listener. It is a and return this. Okay. Okay, let's implement this. Back button नहीं चाहिए अपने को. We don't really need back button over here. Format document. Let's close this. Text instead of button, it should be text. And no manual button needed. And then we need a use effect over here. So use effect. What was the syntax? This is the syntax. Yeah. 4-5 साल पहले का I remember the syntax. And in this one, I have to simply create const back action, the callback function. And in this one, I just have to do on back props.on back. Props.on back. Callable, make it callable. We will call this and return true. This function is returning true. That means the return type boolean. Okay, and we have to add an event listener. So back handler, this is something new, that's why I'm taking help. Back handler is React Native's feature, and then add our custom event listener on this one, just like the plain JavaScript, and then give some name to it. And it will call a callback function which is back action. So hardware back press. Okay, hardware back press, and at the end it should return this back handler dot. We have to remove this subscription. In the documentation it is given. Remove this subscription. Yes, unsubscribe listener unmount. So we have to unsubscribe to the event. So format document and the dependency on this is this props.onback. So let me add that dependency. Okay, so it should work. Profile screen, and if I go back, yeah, nice, 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 nice. Simple pack, simple pack. Okay, learn something new. Implemented React native back handler for profile page. Now I have to do this part. I'll directly jump to this page. Kahan gaya wo that page? This page. I'll start to build this page. So it will show my profile, view profile and my name, and 3 inboxes, this status, connected inbox. How to make this? I don't need this. I just need simple UI, and instead of profile screen, it should be only profile screen. Yeah, profile, this is much better. Did I miss the text? And now I can send good भैया आप बताओ आप कैसे हो मैं भी बढ़िया हम भी बढ़िया भाई hey guys don't take the like backs kindly like the stream sometimes I'm not looking at the text messages because I'm doing something that's why I have injected this chat brain so which can text in place of me लोग याद दिलाते हैं कितना दूर आ गए हूँ काफी डीप रहता है वो तो फीलिंग यस मृन्मय दाली हाउ आर यू ब्रो I do remember you मृन्मय how's life you are at which role in your current job my role is mostly in the front end development but I do back end work as well I'm stuck in that loop of front end developer role I viewed your profile MacDon I don't see a notification I'll get a notification. Hello, bro. I'm Samit. Please check this website. I made it for Lovable. Samit, man, how many accounts do you have, bro? Are you like facing some issue in life, like you just create multiple accounts? Yeah, bro. I am understood one lesson: not to open anything in the normal tab. I'll open everything in the. Oh, this is something you created. Zoe. Are you single, bro? As an AI, I don't have a personal life. Same here, bro. I'm purely dedicated to my mission, helping you navigate your career. Think of me as your 24/7 co-pilot for professional growth. If you are looking to build something with a human-computer interaction, uh, build me a HDFC bank clone with actual HDFC bank APIs and user accounts, and I can be the boss and transfer all the money whichever account I want. Building a clone for educational purpose, not for educational purpose. I want to transfer real money. I cannot. I viewed your profile. If you like the stream, you are man, woman, else you are just gay lesbian now. Choices you. I want to know your journey. Can you share if you don't mind? Yeah, yeah, yeah. I didn't understand this. Free questions remaining zero. So, bro, if I tell you in short, I'm not from any technical branch. I am coming from non-technical engineering background, and then I had this keen interest in coding, so I started during the college, and I started developing apps without knowing anything. But then I got placed into a supply chain company, not a technical company. I got placed into Jubilant Foodworks, and then after that I tried to do some Python course, but I failed. And then after that I did one course. You can see that on my LinkedIn. It's a very popular course, and after that I got an opportunity to work as an associate full stack developer in first company of mine. So I joined that company, and after that I was surrounded by these IT people, and I learned so many things from them. Those are now my friends. They taught me many things. I learned many things on my own, and now here I am, completely submerged into the IT industry. So that's about myself. Not cloud code AI. Please sing with temp mail, bro. Then you get it. Yeah, understood what you did, bro. This is nice. You are using lovable. Let's log in. Let's see what you have created now. Let's see what uh, Samit has created. uh, बोलो बोलो विवाद होने दो भाई. अथर्व. Google posted 12 mentors joined aviation domain. What is this? Bro, you guys are overusing AI. From where you are getting this information? आ कहाँ से रहा है information? Is it? बाप रे, क्या क्या बनाया भाई तुमने? मेरे को समझ में नहीं आ रहा भाई। करियर को पायलट है। एक्सप्लेन। एक्सप्लेन समेत एक्सप्लेन। Why your messages are getting hidden, bro? Can you see your messages now? There was some filter applied by default. Levin Pandey, I explained you my journey and you didn't mention anything, bro. So rude, man. Oh yeah, so back to this, yeah. Back to the app. So I can give the UI part to AI now. Create me this much of UI. I want to see how it creates. Guys, kindly like the stream. Guys, come on, guys. Create me this much UI in the profile page. आप ही बताओ इस पे क्या करना चाहिए। मेरे तो दिख नहीं रहे मुझे। आई डोंट नो व्हाई योर मैसेजेस आर गेटिंग हिडन ब्रो। मैं बोल रहा था आज 6 टाइम 2 वीक के अंदर ही मेरे एरिया में अरे ब्रो दिस काइंड ऑफ थिंग्स इन इंडिया आई डोंट नो व्हेन दिस थिंग्स विल एंड। Career guidance and job vacancy finding. It's a demo, but all future working. Also, mock interview section is there. I don't see. First, as a backend engineer, I tend to go and see the API calls. I don't see any API calls. How this data is coming? How can I know it is like not hard coded? These API calls, what are these like? Really didn't understand how data is flowing, because the first thing I want to really understand how data flows in your application. Let it solve and then we'll see इसने कैसे किया है, then we'll try to replicate it. Career guidance, job vacancy, funding in STEMO, all future working. Also, more control section is there that AI can take. Speak patience. You have to, when you are doing things in India, you have to be patient. What? Why it added auth session? How auth session is being tracked? Session use effect on back return true, ops on back, okay, it fixed these things. First name, first letter. स्टाइल शीट यहाँ पे नहीं चाहिए यार. Let me see how it did it now. Let me simplify things for me. It just did extraction. This part is fine. I don't want this styles to be part of this container tile avatar text. Styles.ts. It created Homelander, something somewhere I saw Homelander. Homelander. Styles sheet dot create. Temp style sheet dot create. Okay, format document, and what was the name that we gave to the styles? Profile page. So profile page. Okay, profile page, and we will simply eradicate these things, and let's use on styles is equal to use styles dot profile page. Theme, we don't need to give the theme over here. This thing should not be local. AI is dumb fuck. We try to inject everything over here. Don't do this. All those two things should also not be part of this, but this is temp code, so I'm not worried about this. Reconnect dev tools, and it should be looking same. Yeah, this is looking exactly same. It used only avatar, profile row, and this. How many styles it created? Container, tile, profile row, avatar text, name. Stats is not something that we have used clearly. Okay, stats is for this. This is stats. Oh, these styles are used. I don't wanna inject my brain into this part. Guys, kindly like the stream. Okay, this इसका token खत्म हो गया है, तो let's end this. Yeah, 8 CGPA is bro. It's really strong. Is solid, bro. Good enough to clear most filters. Now let project and interview prep do the heavy lifting. Yo. Wow, what's up? Acha, you again changed your name. I am thinking why Motivator has changed his name in something in between here. Go, bro. Hello. Bro, how are you, man? ओए ओए गोद भाई, बार नेमचर करते रहोगे। मोटिवेटर एक मंथ। आई एम एक्सपेरिमेंटिंग न्यूज, यूजरनेम एक्सपेरिमेंटेशन, इंडी चिप्स ब्रेन साले। Can you type W for 99 types times, man, please? It will not work like that, bro. I have imagined these conditions already. गोद भाई, मैं आपकी पहचान नहीं पाया स्ट्रीम पे आपको। वो जो किया था, अच्छा ये आपका खुद का इंटरनल डिस्कशन है। यूज द ओपन कोड ब्रो, इट्स 100% फ्री। नो ओपन कोड, हाथ तट कर रहा है भाई। अच्छा codex you mean to say? I'm using codex, bro. I've used codex till here. Guys, kindly like the stream. Whoever has joined right now, kindly like the stream. Infinite loop guy, year of experience, bro. I have almost 5.5 years of experience now. You can check my LinkedIn, Chartbrain. Just paste the LinkedIn URL. उसमें free models ही more than sufficient to create something. Yeah, I use that extensively, but now MVP1, I created that prototype mostly 90%, 80% to 90% using AI. Now I want to know the context of my complete application, so I'm building the feature on my own. That's how I'll know what I have built and I can improve on top of that. Building is not a part here, but understanding all those things is a heavy duty task that I need to do, because if I write code today, tomorrow I don't have to write the code. भाई वो वॉइस वाला लगाओ ना मैसेज। Your story, my story is, bro, I have just explained. Yeah, somebody asked. I come from a non-technical engineering background. I then worked in supply chain, which is a non-technical. Then I tried to take over some technical projects, but they don't really give me a chance. I did something in the SAP side, but then I did some course. You can check it on my LinkedIn. And then I joined my last company, SLB, as an associate full stack developer. And since then, I'm learning new things. And now here I am. भाई वो वॉइस वाला लगाओ ना मैसेज। वॉइस वाला कौन सा मैसेज यार? इससे तो आवाज आता है ना, और कौन सा वॉइस वाला मैसेज? अच्छा अच्छा, वो वॉइस वाला मैसेज जो यूट्यूबर्स यूज कर। ब्रो दैट फीचर इज ओनली अवेलेबल वंस आई गेट मोनेटाइज्ड, आई गेस सो। इफ आई गेट मोनेटाइज्ड देन ओनली आई कैन यूज दैट समथिंग फीचर। वो जोक याद आ गया, आईआईटी की प्रिपरेशन करते करते एम्स में सिलेक्शन हो गया। भाई आई एम फ्रॉम NIT R. R stands for NIT Rourkela something. Got into IBM intern Java backend with AI. That's nice. Congratulations, bro. अबे खुद डालो ना भाई, what the fuck, ब्रेन में डाल दो। ब्रेन में मैं आया नहीं अब तक। I'll come to brain chart brain again. I'm just noting down what the features that I want. Yeah, Rourkela. You are from a very good college, bro. Congratulations on the infinite loop guy. What's your name? My stack currently is Angular and .NET in company, professional life, but I'm trying Java, Spring Boot, and other things personally because I got bored with .NET. .NET is really ugly, not ugly, but Whisper कुछ use कर लो, free होगा. Okay, I'll नहीं यार, वो चार्ट से आवाज नहीं करेगा, वो कुछ अलग यूज करना पड़ता है उसके लिए, वेब सॉकेट यूज करना पड़ता है। I'll do, but thank you for this suggestion. I'll do that. Commands, right? Custom audio on live chat commands, right? I'll try that if that's possible. Bhai, is Angular with JS2 different? No, it's same. With TypeScript and JavaScript is almost same. भाई करेगा ना? I'll try, bro. Can I try it now? मेरे को बस कमांड दे के ही छोड़ना है ना. I'll use codex there. Just a second, I'll give a command to chat brain. Can we implement one feature, whatever the chat messages, can we read that out loud on the stream, or at least on my system, so they can listen that too. Let's ask if that is possible. Vimal, damn, Angular something different. It's not different. मैंने आपको बहुत पहले एक प्लेलिस्ट शेयर करा था. मेरे हाँ शायद करा था यार, मैं भूल गया हूँ. सॉरी ब्रो. भाई बीएससी फिजिक्स कर रहा हूँ, डीएसए वेब डेव के कोर्स करके जॉब कैसे लूँ ब्रो? यू टेक्स्ट मी ऑन लिंक्डइन, आई help you because this is a this question has a very long answer. Guys, kindly like the stream, yaar. I'm not gonna answer or I'm not gonna talk into the chat if you guys are not liking the stream. At least I want to see 15 likes. Currently there are only 13, 2 likes behind. So like the stream. And only React and Next.js in front, and that's enough, bro. That's more than enough. I got offer because of DSA only, to be honest. Yeah, true, bro. I am also doing. How many questions you solved in DSA infinite loop, guy? Yes, we can implement this one key choice first. Should the first version read every incoming viewer chat message aloud or on your Mac system audio and rely on OBS stream capture to pick that audio up? That is the lowest risk V1. Yeah. I'm not even thinking about what this is doing. I just know the basic infrastructure that I built on my own, but rest of the things AI is only doing that. I got the offer because I read Casado bhai ki yaad dila di. Damn infinite loop guy. They ask only heavy DSA questions like graphs question majorly, right? If I'm not wrong. I hate DSA, bro. I feel sleeping after seeing the DSA mostly. So, sote sote kuch problem solve kar lo, then your sleep will go away, bro. Streamer bot name है सॉफ्टवेयर का. ओके. कैसेटो को जानता है. ओ मम्मी मुझे वाली वीडियो डालता है. आई नो नो. I don't know. I'm not promoting, but hence website is too good to practice for company to company. Okay. I still love the twosome question. Hello, bro. Can you suggest best resource for learning web dev? Bro, just start with any project, damn project, bro. You guys are really into a resource, give me resource, give me roadmap, give me this, give me that. Bro, just start, just think of any idea, refine that idea with ChatGPT and just start building. And while building, you just look up into the documentation, look up onto Stack Overflow, Google kar lo, ChatGPT se push le how these things work, how to implement that, what is this, what is that. This is the best way to learn. Don't follow any roadmap or anything. I know you guys are already smart, you guys already know basics things, so don't waste more time into watching tutorials. Watch tutorials when you get stuck. Don't watch tutorials first and then think of building something later. No. First build when you get stuck, watch the tutorial, watch the lecture, watch whatever the things you want to watch. When I joined 738, now 1.3k subscriber. Oh, that's, yeah. Thank you guys for subscribing. 6 pack programming, chai code and संगम. या ले लो भाई लिस्ट. तुम लोग यार गलत तरीके से काम कर रहे हो. Implemented the readout. It has implemented the readout. Really? Let's test this. Take something. भाई मेरा फर्स्ट ब्लेंडर मॉडल देखोगे हाँ यार मेरे को ब्लेंडर में इंटरेस्ट है इफ यू गाइस कैन शेयर ब्लेंडर थिंग बिकॉज आई एम मेकिंग वन टीम ऑन 3D designing 3D video creation and all because I have very long term plans on that and I have budget for that. Let me listen if it's reading it out loud. Is it working though? I wanna add practice. I wanna add practice the language only. I granted Java for a year, then backend was easy to understand. Yes, it's listening. नहीं यार ये नहीं काम करेगा ना OBS से भी आवाज़ मतलब यहाँ से आवाज़ आएगा तो ठीक है. Yeah, you are really good 1 year practice backend and then it's nice. It's not working. No, it's not working. Tell it to test with simple message. I'll do that off stream now. ये है भाई मॉडल टूटा फूटा फर्स्ट मॉडल. Okay, let's see this. I'm really interested into all those things. Oh, I thought it's a video. Okay, nice. Day one in Blender, exploring the hobby. Let me stop this. It will go and eat my all the tokens. Bro, 85k stipend. Oh, I missed some text. Sorry, I missed some text. Yeah, I'm currently doing an internship probation period and getting stipend of 85k and it is of 2 months and now how much should I ask for a full time? It is based and I'm doing it remotely from India. Hey, that is nice. That is nice. 85k is a nice stipend to have. You can ask for maybe 17-18 LPI. The stipend that you are getting is tax free. That you should note because once it get convert to salary, you will start paying tax on that. Maybe 17, 18, 20 till 20 you can ask minimum. On top of that, it's up to your fate and your efforts. Like the stream, yes sir. Like the stream. Hey, I'm currently doing an internship, probation period, and getting stipend. I read that message. You send that again. How much full site is based on? Yes, I read that. First, ask their salary range. Don't push. Yeah, okay. First, you need to actually ask their salary range. Don't reveal your current salaries to them. You ask them what is your budget, and then push out on that. If they push you, quote around 24-25 LPA depending on the role. Yeah, easily. हाँ भाई, कल देखना क्या डालूंगा मैं, आएगा. यस सर, नोटिफिकेशन आएगा अभी मेरे को, दैट्स व्हाई कमेंटेड ना. दिस पार्ट इज ओके. वी हैव moved this. Now I want to how it actually did view text, view avatar text. This is an avatar that it has created, so we'll change every avatar with the actual image later. View this. I'll need a migration when I need to. I'll get image, profile image. Okay, these are literally working like div in HTML. Text in this profile. This is like one. And below that I need to have like view. There is a video option as view and text. Maybe I'll write connected accounts. Let's see where it shows. Yeah, connected account, it's showing exactly where I want. Connected inboxes, connected accounts is more readable, and here I have to show the list of all the connected accounts. So I'll need a list over here. So there is list. No, there is not anything as a list, so I'll need a list, and inside that reusable component for account, and that component could have this connect button as well. So this is what I want. हाँ भाई, कल देखना. नो सेफ एरिया. No safe area. Okay, thanks. IndieDev will start it like that and try what out. Okay, great day. Yeah, you too. Great day, guys. And please don't forget to like the stream. What's your name? Simadri Pawan Kumar. Pawan Kumar is easy to pronounce. Pawan Kumar, kindly like the stream. अगर अच्छे से फ्रंट एंड आता है तो कितने तक मिल जाता है रोहित भाई? भाई 25-30 तक मिल जाता है भाई, इजीली. नाइस क्वेश्चन. 25-30 तक मिल जाता है अच्छे से फ्रंट एंड भी आए तो. So let me get this style. This is nice. And then 25 लाख से 30 लाख. Need list component. This much I can. So I can give a prompt on kind of a list I want, and then I need a API to replace this information. API to replace this information. 3 inboxes, 230 orders tracked. भाई बहन जो 30 लाख डैम, कौन सा प्रोजेक्ट बनाओ उसके लिए? भाई you can just start building mini projects पहले ना. You guys think कि there is something very big that you have to do. No, you have to do the basics, the foundations really good to get into such companies. See the guy who texted earlier. he was also did he worked 1 year on the foundation only. Will you work on foundation only for a year? वैसे कितने होते हैं पर मंथ 30 लाख मतलब महीने के एक मैक? इट कम्स अराउंड 2 लाख, कटा काट काट के 2 लाख 195 तक मिल जाता है ब्रो. गाइस प्लीज लाइक द स्ट्रीम यार. Instead of doing this connected accounts, I just need one button to sign out. So I can give this UI. Just leave the commented space for connected account component list. Below that, create a simple logout option. I'm not sure how the logout will work. Logout will just log out from the main user account. 26 minutes ago good morning दिखाना चालू हो गया है because it's past 12. हाँ bro, if you know anything deeper, everything is literally possible. Like one of my friend know like ML really great and he got 1.1 crore. He's from Aditya Gore. Yes, that is the key to life, bro. If you can build a T, you know, university in any particular topic, you will get a breakthrough at some point in time. Not maybe initially, not even maybe after 2 3 years, but maybe after 5 to 10 years, you will be there. You just have to believe in yourself and what you are doing instead of looking out what other people are doing. Somebody's doing Java, somebody's doing Django, somebody's doing ML, somebody's doing rack something, and you just give yourself your efforts on those things. Rather focus on only one thing. आपका होगा ना 5 लाख पर मंथ मिनिमम. आप तो इतने स्मार्ट हो गए नहीं यार. Instead of many stacks, I think I need to dig deeper. Yes, that's what I'm saying. What kind of projects you had, bro? If you can share, bro. My GitHub is public. You guys can always see what all things I have done. When I started, it was not that difficult as per the current market. Current market is like there is AI. You know, some guy Samit has showed this project. अगर मैं if I would have been able to create something like this 5 years ago, this is how Samit has created. I would have landed easily like 50 lakhs back then. But right now the expectations has surpassed because AI is there using AI. Do you think this guy has built this by himself? No, used AI, and because of that the expectations have peaked now. You have to reach that peak. Uh, but it takes some time and serious work. Like I have done 4 internships, including IITB till now. Work hard, yeah. Work hard, work smart, all the things, and most important thing that everybody forgets is enjoy what you are doing, bro. If you stop enjoying what you are doing, what you are building, then it's not a कोई भी मतलब ही नहीं है भाई उस चीज का. फिर क्यों ही कर रहे हो? ये बहन के भाई को मैं बुला, ये सब मेरे को नहीं चाहिए. नोटिफिकेशन अकाउंट. Just I wanted to. Oh, it really logged out. How it worked? Did not do anything, no? Oh, it cleared the. Yeah, what it did? Yeah. Let me again remove the unwanted code. It has this on logout on session. Okay, on session expired. It did. There is no props as such, but it injected this prop. Profile API. तू मेरे साथ साथ है. एक एक फीचर बनाने जाते हो 100 बग्स बन जाते हैं भाई. आई एम ऑब्जर्विंग. देख ले भाई, तेरे को फोर्ड ने ये 2 करोड़ में हूँ. यस, ही विल इवेंचुअली डू इट ब्रो. Current activity is null. Cannot resend you. Let me first fucking do this. Set session. On go back. Take the basic UI for profile page. Today, just by writing few lines of code, I have learned so much of React Native that using AI since last 4 5 days, I never would have learned this much. So at the end, writing code is really worth it to learn, but I am not sure कब तक ये काम चलने वाला है. I was planning to get some good people and have a really good discussion on this topic कि मतलब क्या है बेंचो फ्यूचर हमारा, हम क्यों क्या करें, कोड सीखे ना सीखे, या ऐसे लिखवाए ना लिखवाए, क्या करे क्या. एक लड़की भीगी भागे सी सोते. इसने ऑप्शन भी ऐड नहीं किया, ये आया कहाँ से. 1 बज रहा है. आधा टाइम तो फिगर आउट ही करने में जाता है कहाँ से क्या आ रहा है. कलश वसद, hey dude, could you tell how can we get into Jane Street quant trader role? I'll start my BTech from next month. Bro, to be honest, I'm like reading this something like this for the first time. Jane Street quant trader role. Your writing has an accent, not. What is this? Job description. Jane quant street quant trader. What is this Jane Street quant trader role? हाँ भाई, ट्राई तो करने. हाँ भाई, ट्राई तो करने ही मिलेगा ना मिलेगा वो देखा जाएगा. ट्रू. एक सेकंड, ये व्हाट इज दिस. ही आस्क्ड वेरी कलाश has asked very specific question. Hey dude, can you tell me about this Jane Street quant trader role? Works in a collaborative teams to build mathematical models, spot pricing insufficiencies, and execute automated trading strategies. The role focuses heavily on problem solving, risk management, and expanding into new global markets. Uh, Bro, I'm not really sure about this. You something new thing that this is situation of the market. It is HFT. Dude, they pay around 80 lakhs for 2 month intern. Really? भाई मैं बताऊं क्या होने वाला है, बिकॉज वो एआई वाले ना अभी जो सिम जैसे कर रहे हैं, आदत लगा के रेट बढ़ा देगा देखना, तब तक ना बेंचो सब लोग कोड लिखना भूल जाएंगे, फिर लेना पड़ेगा बड़ा सब्सक्रिप्शन। ट्रू। Bro, literally my founder gave me a Claude, and while meeting, when I am debugging, it is saying use Claude for real, like he's saying to use AI end to end. He's not even caring about coding. Yeah, in my company as well, my managers, like 6 months ago, they have completely said that you have to use 100% AI, 100% AI. Like they are giving a story, you have to deliver it on the same day. क्या हो रहा है, कैसे हो रहा है, नो कोई नहीं देख रहा है. एवरीबडी हु इज ऑल्सो रिव्यूइंग द कोड, दे आर यूजिंग एआई एजेंट्स, दे हैव क्रिएटेड देयर ओन एआई एजेंट. इन माय कंपनी दे हैव गिवन मी क्लॉड up to Fable, like kind of unlimited access to the Fable 5. They have given me Codex Pro, ChatGPT Pro. They have given क्या बोलते हैं उसको, को पायलट लाइसेंस, सब कुछ दे रखा है. दे आर लाइक कि तुम करो बस, यू जस्ट यूज ए आई. दे आर नॉट इवन थिंकिंग अबाउट योर स्किल्स एंड ऑल. Bro, I really need to read about this, Kalash, bro. Thank you for letting me know such new thing. I'll read that. My brother is into trading, so I'll maybe connect with him. This is the situation of the market. It is HFT. Guys, kindly like the stream again. I want to see 20 likes there. You guys are really giving me hard time today. भाऊ ऊपर देखो. ऊपर कहाँ भाई? क्या मैसेज नहीं पढ़ा मैंने? Yes, but it takes some time. I've read every message, bro. It is live chat. I'm not seeing any. What message you take? ये मैंने पढ़ा तुम्हारा AI वाला मैसेज ना. भाई काफ़ी लोग ये लेट नाइट स्ट्रीम्स मिस कर देते हैं. ट्रू. Don't miss the streams, guys. Join the stream so that you will continuously get some new information over here. Their loss, yes, their loss. Who is not liking the stream, it's their loss actually. Same 100% for me too. My designer is from Black Roll, Black Rock, Black Rock, Black Rock, and he's telling to use AI. Yeah, yeah, absolutely, bro. Everything is based on AI right now. In my life, actually, like what should I eat right now? That is been governed by AI. AI is everywhere, bro, and it's really making a difference. Like how I train, how I eat, everything has become very clean. The daily effort of taking a decision, our brain takes millions of decisions on daily basis, and those decisions, AI is making those decision taking abilities very good. So maybe this is the way, like we cannot leave AI behind. We have to stick with it and see where it is taking us, and then we'll from there we have to like literally learn to fly again. Base $300 K, 300K for Con Dev in C++, low latency. I'm not kidding. And Con Trader bonus goes around 500. Oh, what the fuck, bro? I want to know more about it then. I'll know. I've started a chat. I'll not close this. I'll just read about it, bro. Tell me more. What is Con Trader? Ask him, Kalash. Ask Kalash. Is it trading or coding? BlackRock देख रहे हो. Brain not braining. Upon the roll you want. Guys, kindly like this stream. I want to see 20 likes. दुनिया कहाँ जा रही है और तुम लोग मेरे को लाइक नहीं दे पा रहे हो. हाउ बैड यू पीपल आर. अरे मेरे को इसको ये देना था. करंटली एक्टिविटीज नल, कैन नॉट प्रेजेंट साइन इन यूआई. तू मेरे पास है. Depend upon role you want. Okay. Hey, hi Jack. How are you, man? सी प्लस प्लस ये तो मैंने भी स्टार्ट करा है. या सी प्लस प्लस इज लाइक इट it's been used at the premium places, you know, it is a language of premium elite people. कितने बजे तक स्ट्रीम होगा? आप बताओ आपको कब बंद करना है. उस यू टेल मी कि जस्ट शट द फक ऑफ एंड आई जस्ट गेट लॉस्ट. 1 बजे तक नॉर्मली आई कीप इट गोइंग. ट्रेडर भी गेट द मोस्ट मनी. या काफ़ी भारी लोग आ रहे हैं. यस, ट्रेडर वाला थिंग आई जस्ट डिस्कवर. मेरे को एक प्रोजेक्ट, आई रियली वांट टू डू वन प्रोजेक्ट इन ट्रेडिंग. Like I want to create, because now I tried it 4 5 years ago, looking at उसका क्या वीडियो था. Cal Haddon is a developer. He used to do all these things in Python like in 2020. But now the AI has evolved so much. I want to give it a try. Like, can we really make some money out using AI and all by creating our own trader? So we'll give it a try one day. काफ़ी भारी लोग आ रहे हैं. यस जनाब. Don't delete the messages. I can see your messages. If you guys do this help me a lot. उस रात अपन 2 बजे तक स्ट्रीम किया. गाइस काइंडली लाइक द स्ट्रीम. 20 लाइक हो जाने चाहिए तब मैं आगे का काम करूँगा. अब एक बंदा है वो पूरा माइनक्राफ्ट स्क्रैच से सी प्लस. हाँ मैंने देखा था किसी ने. मेनी पीपल आर क्रिएटिंग माइनक्राफ्ट इन फ्रॉम स्क्रैच. Harkirat is a guy for that. He uses the blockchain and he uses everything, bro. Harkirat is like, damn, bro, how he knows everything. He's the AI. Harkirat is the AI. उसके 30 30 मिनट की वीडियोस भी बोरिंग नहीं लगते हरकिरत के. That's why I want to go in small steps, no? Guys, I want to see 20 likes today, यार. तब तक I'm not leaving. I've seen that, like when I start around 10 a.m., you know, I start around 10 a.m. Sorry, 10 p.m. Until 12 I write code by myself, but after 12 I slightly slide into the AI. I start to take help from AI, and now at 1 a.m. everything is AI doing, and I'm just looking at it, what it's doing. How to test? Please reload. And yeah, we did that. Current activities null, cannot present sign in UI. Same bro, same. Now I need someone better. That's what she said. Uh, Decentralized exchange. They have created their own programming language for trading, OCAML. Just search it on Google. OCAML. Is a high-level practical multi-paradigm programming language from ML family. It features static typing and powerful type inference and garbage collection balancing. Functional programming official website. I've seen this page before. I remember this UI. This is not for this. This was something I have seen this before. Let's square it. It is something better than JavaScript. कुछ तो ऐसा मैंने पढ़ा था. It's not for this, bro. Yeah, terminal pay. It's not that. Bro is the business. Yes, he's Kalash is the business. Kalash, bro, keep coming back. I wanna know more about this. And they do not know GPA and degree. Yeah, of course, these companies doesn't care. It just mean money. लेट्स गो पूरा दिन स्ट्रीम होगा क्या हरामी लोग हो भाई मतलब 2 लाइक मेरे को नहीं दोगे तुम लोग मेरे से पूरा रात स्ट्रीम करवाओगे जस्ट प्योर टॉप लेवल स्किल जस्ट सर्च हु क्रिएटेड इट एंड यूजेस इट ओके ओके दिस इज समथिंग 1996 a team of researchers 1996 just search who created I got mod on guy's channel who is Sweden he's been programming when GitHub didn't even exist man he's fucking killer yeah some people are like on the next level uh न्यूबी भाई बस करो भाई डराओ मत सुबह सुबह बोलो शुभ शुभ बोलो लेट्स गो एक हो गया रुको दूसरी आईडी से लाइक कर देता हूँ यो व्हाट्सअप ब्रो हेलो हाउ आर यू मैन व्हाट्स द अपडेट द फर्स्ट वन इज द फर्स्ट वन इन लो पीपल हु आस्क जो बच्चा याद आ गया जो 7 ईयर या लीड कोड उसका तो अलग ही है
but not their complete absence. This is the creator of the OCaml programming language, and I asked him all about programming language design and formal verification. Oh my god, I'm not a big fan of JavaScript. And Rust is the finest language for manual memory management.
Why I do have to force my app to close? What MacBook you are using, bro? I'm using M1 Pro. M1 Pro MacBook. It's a Pro MacBook, 16-inch, 32 GB RAM, 1 TB SSD. Okay, now it's giving us some error. Now it's a connection failed to establish. It's your job to fix the error now because I'm really done at this point. I think I should. भाई मेरा तो फर्स्ट सेमेस्टर है 2029 तक क्या होगा तुम्हारे तक तो भाई सब खत्म हो जाएगा यूज दी अनब्लॉक ओरिजिन फॉर नो एड्स indie developer I have YouTube premium bro don't worry about that it's just another account of me I have YouTube premium because I have other channel monetized YouTube has given me YouTube premium
it's also a fairly decent systems programming language and
we'll see he has Kalash has literally opened a new gate of knowledge for us, so we will have to read about it, and I'll read about it. It cached something. I didn't notice, but I already have an logo. Referral cannot use in HFT, but you can get into IMC trading in Mumbai 30 lakh in 10 for 2 months. HFT is little bit scam as well. I have seen some people are scamming under the name of HFT. It was a really big scam here in Maharashtra. क्या हुई? Okay. Logout part is working. Yeah, logout part is working. Oh, it was really easy to implement logout. Guys, I need only one like so that I can die in peace. वैसे मुझे भी कुछ चीज़ों का अवेयरनेस है, मैंने सीक्रेट रखा है, नॉट रिलेटेड टू टेक्नोलॉजी. ओके. गांजा गांजा. जिंदा रहूंगा तो मिलते हैं ज़रूर. ओ केमिकल वाला फ्रेश इज बेस्ट एवर. केमिकल वाला इज फ्रेश बेस्ट एवर. कुछ बात है कुछ सा. गाइस गिव मी वन लाइक एंड आई विल बी ऑफ. Need to review this code. I'll not push this code. This though I can push. अच्छा, handle logout, Google sign out. Guys, come on, one like and I'm done, because I'm done. Whatever the part that I've thought I'll implement, I have. So I'll just keep these options, notifications and account. Maybe I'll use that later. Account though I really don't need. So let me remove that account part completely. So this account I don't really need. I don't really need this. Notifications will keep that. Notifications, we'll see. Privacy and data अपने को लगेगा कभी ना कभी. So this much is enough. Log out. Okay, connected inbox list will go here. Manage. Yeah. This much is enough. Let me go back. Yeah. This is fun to have, Is showing all the orders, and I have created one bug. I have to keep an eye on that bug. कहाँ गया bug? This is the bug. I'll solve this bug. I have kept this for my morning ritual to solve all the bugs that I have faced. Okay, guys, kindly like the stream, yeah. Kindly like the stream. Don't make me say this again and again. I have done so much. We have completed MVP 1. Now we have started with MVP 2, and this is really useful app. And I'll upload it on Play Store for free to use for everyone. Everyone. I'll not make any money out of this. I'll just let it flow. AI I want to integrate just to fetch these logos. Right now for Amazon it's showing A, it is showing Yum, but I really want the actual logos of these products, of these sites. जिंदा रहूंगा मैंने पढ़ा 2024 में मेरा अंतिम. मुझे लगता है मेरे कॉलेज एंड तक होने तक एक ज़माना था लोग जॉब करते थे. हाँ, ऐसा भी हो सकता है भाई. If they are not scam, dude, they do buy sell in milliseconds in millions of dollars in international. That's why they have to shift to Hong Kong just for intern. Maybe I'm not aware of all those things in detail, so I would not comment. I'm just trying to get whatever you know so that I can search on that. Yeah, guys, kindly like the stream यार, अभी बहुत हो गया अभी. It's enough. Did I like from my account? I got 33 votes on the liked. People are saying yes, we have liked, but I can see only 19 likes. Why is cheating? Hmm. This copy icon is not right. Let me ask. Can you fix the copy icon? It's not looking good on orders list page. So let me keep this stage. We are doing very slow. Somebody texted on Discord. Kalash, hello Kalash. First technical trader is here. Kalash Vasad. Guys, you are so awful. I'm saying I just need one like. I'm just one like away from 20 likes, but you guys are so disgusting that you don't want to give that last like. How mean you guys are. If you want to know anything, I'm here to answer. I'm not asking you to subscribe to the channel yet. You just have to visit the stream. You just have to like the stream so that whenever I come online, you will get a notification or suggestion on your YouTube feed, homepage, or shorts feed that this guy is again live and you guys can tune in. If you guys want, no, I don't see 20 likes, bro. No, man, I don't see 20 likes. I still see 19 likes. मुझे लगता है मेरे कॉलेज ये मैंने पढ़ा ज़्यादा पैसे ज़्यादा टेंशन कम पैसा ज़्यादा प्रॉब्लम नो पैसा लाइफ है प्रॉब्लम विथ टेंशन they arrange accommodation and flight ticket themselves. You do not need to pay a single cent for it and it can change whole life trajectory. मुझे कुछ गड़बड़ लग रहा है. नहीं भाई होता है. There are some things. 20 likes already done. No, I don't see. I still see 19 likes over here. You guys are mean. Let's go कर दिया the code guy 01. Hey, I can't see this code guy का message. The code guy I can see on mobile but I'm not able to see. Okay, now I can see this code guy. Let's go. Thanks code guy. Now we are heading towards 40 likes. No, it's very late for 40 likes. We had it on 101 stream. 50 likes we had on that stream. You saved the day, bro. मैजिक. आपने टॉप में से अरे मैं रिफ्रेश करता हूँ तो अपने आप टॉप में से सेलेक्ट हो जाता है. मेरे को वो कुछ करना पड़ेगा. Use the standard conf because I'm not gonna search a new icon and all. ये मोनेटाइज कब होगा चैनल? उसके लिए तो बहुत टाइम है भाई. I can show you that to you guys. There is this tab and 1000 subscribers is done, which is like primary condition is 500 subscriber. There are two types of eligibilities that YouTube has given. we have surpassed 1000 subscribers, but the basic condition is 3000 watch hours. Actually, it's 4000 watch hours. Here, if you see 4000 watch hours, I need 2000, 3000 more. But just to understand that my channel is able to monetize without even getting the monetization fund, 3000 is the mark. So I'm around 1200, 1800 far. So almost 1800 watch hours I need. We are too far. Don't worry. It is gonna be still ugly and big. इसने बोला था कि मैं बस स्टिल अगली एंड बिग बोल के एक काम करवा सकता हूँ पूरा. हाँ, नाउ इट्स बेटर. नाउ इट्स बेटर. ठीक है, दैट्स व्हाट आई वांटेड. हम लोग लीड कोड वाला कर सकते हैं, देन वन प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व पे 100 रुपीज. नहीं नहीं, पैसे वाला काम नहीं करना यार. एक काम करो, लाइव स्ट्रीम चला के छोड़ दो 24 आवर्स, बस 30 दिन. 30 दिन हो गया. नेक्स्ट प्रोजेक्ट, सी दैट मीन समथिंग. As this watch hours is growing, me myself is growing in terms of the knowledge of YouTube. There are many ways of cheating in this one, but it will not build my systems. If I go with this, when I hit 1000 watch hours, I had some systems developed. When I'll hit 2000 watch hours, I'll have more systems, more clarity, more things implemented. When I hit 3000 or when I get monetized, then I'll have more things that I know. So YouTube is part of yourself. As you grow, it grows with you. फिर ठीक है. नेक्स्ट प्रोजेक्ट लाके मोनेटाइज कैसे रहेगा? नेक्स्ट प्रोजेक्ट लाके मोनेटाइज नहीं समझा मेरे को. I'm getting sponsors का email and all, but I'll have to verify all of them. ना वॉच आवर्स इतने जल्दी नहीं कंप्लीट होगा सर. नेक्स्ट प्रोजेक्ट लाके मोनेटाइजेशन कैसा रहेगा? आई डिडंट अंडरस्टैंड दिस मैसेज, बट या ठीक है. आई जस्ट वांटेड टू इम्प्लीमेंट दिस पार्ट नाउ today, profile wala page, so that I would get an understanding of how React Native works. Now I know how React Native works. I've understood good amount of React Native today by doing this session. That is plus point. Logout is implemented. I'll see the code again after the stream, and there are few bugs. One bug that I've raised and saw that is there. So the first page is looking very nice. This is nice. तुम लोगों के लिए, for you guys it's not enough, no? For you guys it's not enough things to see on the screen, but for me, you must have seen how many number of lines of code we have pushed till now, and that too very less without using AI. फिर ठीक है. मुझे लगा वॉच ओवर. भाई तुम लोग FF खेलते हो क्या? FF क्या है? फायर व्हाट इज FF? मेरा मतलब था प्रोजेक्ट में ऐसा सॉफ्टवेयर बना. मे बी देखते हैं. चलो, थैंक यू गाइज. जिसने भी द वन हु हैवंट लाइक द स्ट्रीम, it's your duty now to like the stream, because we are very close to MVP 2 and I'm eager to release this application. I just want to fix all the bugs that I can see it right now in front of me. I tend to not use AI for the second MVP because I want to go in this application deep. I want to learn many things in here. So I'll reduce my AI usage to maybe max 20%. On top, above that, I'll not use AI in next subsequent MVPs, because this has to be my brainchild. This is my brainchild. T launcher से खेलता हूँ गरीब Pro Max. Long story. I don't know what you guys are talking about, but yeah, it's good that you guys are talking. So thank you all for joining the stream. It's time to end the stream. आंखें दर्द कर रहा है भाई आज. Chalo, thank you all for joining the stream, and those who haven't liked the stream, it's your duty now to like the stream because we are very close to finish the MVP 2 as well. I'll come up with the subsequent MVPs, and this SaaS product I'm really thinking about making it a commercial app, like not literally making money out of it, but there will be a way to, I'll figure out a way to make money out of it. I have some ideas for that, but first I have to make this app really useful for me first, then for my friends. I'll let my beta version to be used by my friends, so I'll give them the access. So that's the whole uh, point here. And why I'm doing this SaaS application is because uh, I want to tap into that market. So this is the first entry point that we have. We'll first develop our complete end-to-end system to create and deploy the application, the mobile app, end-to-end for Android and iOS. And once we understood the complete path, then we will try to build on top of that knowledge, come up with something better, come up something that can really solve a big problem and not such a small problem. So maybe we'll come up with that, not maybe, but for surely we will come up with that. But for that, what you need to do, you need to like the stream right now. So if you like the stream, it will start a loop. Whenever I'll do something unique, it will come to your feed, and you just have to see and watch that again. If that particular topic on that day really interests you, then you can continue. If not, you can just blunt out a gali to me and you can just leave. So thank you all for joining the stream, and we will see you at the same time 10 p.m. tomorrow at the same place. So till then, take care, bye bye, solve lead code, do practice, solve projects and all. So thank you all. Let me see some messages. Show us what you are building, bro. Yeah, देख लो भाई. I'll show you just a second. दो तो बजा नहीं. अरे इसने बोला था 2 बजा नहीं भाई. आज रिसर्च करना होगा. यस, काफ़ी चीज़ें पता चली. यस, रियली. So this is the app, bro. I have made. This is the Orders hub. So if you want to see the complete UI, this is the UI. So this is the page that I have built, and this is what I'm building right now. This page. Okay, these are like done. Splash, login, authentication is done. Connecting multiple accounts part is baki. This is just combining all the orders from all the email IDs that I'm using into one place along with all the metadata. So that is what I'm building. Devansh Dev. So this is what I'm building. I hope you got it. So thank you all, and those who haven't liked the stream, do like the stream. So take care. Bye bye. Good night. And